Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the 2022 Ford Bronco in a Badlands trim with the Sasquatch package and powered by a 2.7 liter V6 EcoBoost engine, providing you with a ton of power with excellent fuel efficiency. And the Sasquatch package gives you some 35-inch all-terrain tires sitting on some beadlock rims. You have the heavy-duty modular front bumper, rock sliders down below, soft top, 4-door configuration, but let's take a look inside. First, looking into the back, we have your rear tailgate that swings off to the side with your full-size spare on the back, and in here you have a decent bit of room that can always be expanded by folding down the rear seats. You have these tie-down points with little lassos on them, 12-volt power outlet, and underneath this cover you have your jack and some spare room for other equipment. Then looking into the back seat, we have comfortable seating for 3 with a leather or vinyl interior, fold-out armrests with 2 cup holders, as well as having a USB and USB-C, 110-volt power outlet, and your window controls. The backs of the seats also have molly rigging loops that you can hook stuff onto, as well as this mesh pouch. Before I forget, this Bronco is also coming in the new Eruption Green exterior paint. Looks very nice in the sunlight. And this vehicle comes with a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your SUV. Fully power adjustable driver's seat, power windows, power mirrors, and power locks. Now, sitting in the vehicle with it running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your controls for your center info screen, where you can look at your trip and fuel information, off-road information, pretty important for a vehicle like this, navigation, phone, and audio controls, as well as settings for your screen and some other features around the vehicle. You also have My View, which is a sort of favorite screen for any of those subcategories for ease of access. But then moving on to the left, where you have your cruise controls with your lane keeping system and your hands-free phone and radio controls kind of spread apart. But then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth. You have your Bluetooth phone controls, navigation screen, so you're hopefully not going to get lost, whatever apps you may have installed, settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle, and your general vehicle features such as driver assistance, zone lighting, owner's manual, and shifting into reverse. You do have a backup camera so you can see where you're going with a full 360 view so you can see all around your SUV. Above that, you have some of your 4x4 controls, such as your sway bar disconnect, front and rear locking differentials, trail turn assist, so if you're on a particularly tight trail, this will help you in making a tighter turn. You have your traction control shut off, hazards, and up here you also have a mounting point for an accessory rail, so if you want to have like a GoPro up here or something like that. And then moving down, you have your media controls with your camera view, again, front-facing camera, and your auto start stop shut off, park assist sensor shut off, and then you have your climate controls with dual zone front climate and heated front seats. Below that you have this cubby area with a USB and USB-C, as well as having one of your grab handles here. You also have one on either side of the dash so you can hold on while you're going over rougher terrain. You have your main shifter here with select shift on the side so you can manually shift through your gears, 2 cup holders, your 4x4 selector, so you have for high, low, and auto, as well as trail control, which is sort of like cruise control for slower speeds on rougher terrain, and your goat mode selector, which is your drive mode selector for normal, eco, slippery, mud ruts, sand, Baja, and rock crawl mode, so you can customize your driving experience quite a bit there. And then you have your window and mirror controls, of course, because the doors are removable, so you still want to have those controls handy. And then you have your lockable center compartment / armrest with a removable tray, plenty of room inside, and another 12 volt, so you can plug something in from there too. And last but not least, you do have 6 upfitter switches up here, which can be wired up however you please. But I believe that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, come visit us at Prince George Ford, pgford.ca, or call 250-563-8111 and have a nice day.